Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Ube Halaya. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of cooked and mashed ube, 1 can of full-fat coconut milk, 1 can of condensed milk, and 1 can of evaporated milk. Don't forget a 1/4 cup of unsalted butter and about 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, adjustable to your taste. Having these ready makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's start cooking. Begin by melting a 1/4 cup of unsalted butter in your large, non-stick pan over medium heat. Once melted, add your 2 pounds of mashed ube. Stir continuously for about 5 minutes, ensuring the ube is thoroughly coated. Next, pour in the entire cans of coconut milk, condensed milk, and evaporated milk. This creamy mixture is the heart of our Ube Halaya, so mix it well. After adding the milks, it's time to sweeten things up. Stir in about 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, or more if you prefer a sweeter halaya. The key here is constant stirring. You'll need to continuously mix the ube mixture over medium-low heat. This crucial step prevents burning and ensures even cooking. Keep stirring until the mixture becomes very thick and starts to pull away from the sides of the pan, which usually takes around 30 to 45 minutes. Once your Ube Halaya reaches that perfect, thick consistency, remove it from the heat. Carefully transfer the hot mixture into a greased dish or individual molds. Smooth the top with a spatula. Let it cool completely at room temperature for at least 1 hour, then refrigerate for several hours or even overnight to allow it to firm up. Before serving, you can garnish it with toasted coconut flakes or crispy ladduck for an extra touch of flavor and texture. Enjoy your homemade Ube Halaya.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.